Hi, I'm Tyson from Brisbane, Australia, and I came over here to get some dental work done. I think the treatment's been fantastic. It was very cost effective and it exceeded expectations. I'm very happy with the outcome. Cost effective coming to Thailand to get the work done than what it is in Australia. I did a lot of research online, and there was, this clinic had a lot of good reviews, and it had the international coverage, which was because I just liked the reviews I heard from you guys, and it seemed like it was a very good clinic to come to. I'm not sure. I didn't know what to expect. There was a little bit of apprehension there, but I'm glad I made the decision I did to go with you guys. It's been fantastic. It's been really, really good. I can't recommend it enough. She was wonderful. She did an absolutely fantastic job. I'm very, very impressed with it. You've done a brilliant job, exceeded expectations, and I'd highly recommend it.